Hello my dear students, welcome back to your channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to discuss all most important 2 and 3 marks question of chapter 8, that is electromagnetic waves. In the previous video I already discussed all important 1 marks question, and in this video I will cover all 2 and 3 marks question. But before starting today's video, you must know about electromagnetic waves. What is direction of electromagnetic waves? In which wave travel? And in that one, what is direction of electric and magnetic field? Then electromagnetic spectrum, already discussed in the previous video, starting from gamma rays and up to radio and microwaves. It is in the increasing order of wavelength and decreasing order of frequency. So you must remember these things. Now let us start first with question number 1. Question number 1 is, arrange the following electromagnetic waves in order of increasing frequency. Increasing frequency means this starting from gamma rays to radio waves, it is in the order of decreasing frequency. So increasing frequency means starting from microwave, then radio wave, then infrared, and maximum frequency is which wave? Gamma rays. So in this question, gamma rays has maximum frequency and you have to arrange this one in the order of increasing frequency. And which one has minimum? Yes, microwave. So answer is what? First microwave, then infrared rays, then ultraviolet rays, and maximum frequency which radiation? Gamma rays, right? And minimum frequency microwaves. Now next question number 2, arrange the following electromagnetic waves in order of decreasing frequency, in which it means it is reverse of this question number 1. Decreasing frequency means first you have to write those waves which has maximum frequency, it means gamma rays, then in all these 4 X-rays, then infrared rays, and last microwaves, right? Hope it's clear to all of you. Now next question number 3, arrange the following electromagnetic waves in decreasing order of wavelength. This one is in increasing order of wavelength, gamma ray to radio wave and microwave. And decreasing order of wavelength means starting from this radio wave, microwave, and minimum wavelength, which ray? Gamma rays. Yes. So you have to arrange this in decreasing order of wavelength. So minimum wavelength, which ray? Which radiation? Yes, gamma rays has minimum wavelength and microwave have maximum wavelength, and microwave, after microwave, which has infrared rays, then X-rays, and last gamma rays. So it is in the order of decreasing frequency. After this, next question number 4, which of the following waves can be polarized? Heat waves and sound waves. Give reason to support your answer. You have to find which of these following waves. One is heat waves, another one is sound waves, which can be polarized. So you know, heat waves are nothing but they are transverse in nature. Heat waves are transverse in nature and transverse waves can be polarized. So heat waves can be polarized as they are transverse in nature. And then sound waves, you know, sound waves are longitudinal waves, and you know longitudinal waves cannot be polarized, right? Next question number 5, welders wear special goggles or face masks with glass windows to protect their eyes from electromagnetic radiation. Name the radiations and write the range of their frequency. Which radiation is harmful for eyes? Yes, ultraviolet rays, right? And its frequency range is from 10 to the 16 Hz to 10 to the power 17 Hz. Hope it's clear to all of you. Next question number 6. Name the electromagnetic waves which maintain the Earth's atmosphere warm and are used in aircraft navigation. Which electromagnetic wave maintain the Earth's atmosphere warm? Yes, infrared rays. And with those right electromagnetic waves which are used in aircraft navigation, which has higher wavelength, that is microwaves. So in this way, you write the answer of all questions. Next, question number 7. Now, from question number 7 to 8, 9, 10, how different electromagnetic waves are produced. First one is, how are infrared waves produced and what is the range of their wavelength? This question comes in the year 2011-2010. So, how infrared waves are produced? Infrared waves are produced by hot bodies due to the vibrations of atoms and molecules. right? And its wavelength range is from 1 millimeter to 700 nanometer. You must remember how infrared waves are produced. These are produced by hot bodies due to vibration of the atoms and molecules. Next, how are radio waves produced? It also comes in the year 2011 and 10. Radio waves are produced by rapid acceleration and deceleration of electrons in areas, right? Next, question number 9. How are X-rays produced? Yes, X-rays, it's also very important. X-rays are produced by bombarding a metal target by high energy electrons. So in this way, you just write answer in one line because only 2 or 3 marks questions may be asked in the exams. So you have to write these important points. Next one is, how are microwaves produced? Production of microwave. It also comes in the year 2011. As microwaves are produced by spatial vacuum tubes. How microwaves are produced? Microwaves are produced by spatial vacuum tubes called magnetrons and gun diodes, right? Next, uses of different electromagnetic radiation. First one is, write 2 uses of microwaves. Okay, so microwaves have higher wavelength. So these are used in radar system for aircraft navigation. And also these are used in microwave ovens for cooking. Next, question number 12. Write 2 uses of infrared rays. Infrared rays are used in electronic devices, right? These are used in electronic devices. Also, these are used in physical therapy. So, in this way, you write answers of all these questions. Next, question number 13. Question number 13. This question comes in the year 2016. Question is, which segment of electromagnetic waves has highest frequency? So, how are these waves produced? Give one use of these waves. Which segment of electromagnetic waves has highest frequency? Yes, gamma rays. Right now, in this one, gamma ray has highest frequency, and this radio or microwaves at minimum frequency, and this gamma rays has minimum wavelength. Radio waves, microwaves at maximum wavelength. So, write the name of those electromagnetic radiation which has highest frequency. Yes. Then how are these waves produced? How gamma rays are produced? Gamma rays is produced by radioactive decay of nucleus. Give one use of these waves. What is the use of gamma rays which has very high frequency and energy? They are used in medicine to destroy cancer cells. Very important point. And their frequency range is from 3 into 10 to the power 22 hertz, from 18 hertz to 10 power 22. It is very high frequency. Which electromagnetic waves lie near the high frequency end of visible part of electromagnetic spectrum? Visible part of electromagnetic spectrum means this one. This is the visible part of electromagnetic spectrum. So which electromagnetic radiation lie near the end of this visible part of electromagnetic radiation? This side, lower side ultraviolet, and higher side infrared ray. So ultraviolet and infrared rays. Here question is, which electromagnetic waves lie near the high frequency end? So high frequency range is what is the answer? Ultraviolet rays. And low frequency range? Yes, infrared rays. So ultraviolet ray is the correct answer for this question. Now give its one use. So what is the use of ultraviolet ray? Yes, these are used to kill germs in water purifiers. In what way this component of light has harmful effects on humans? Yes, what is the harmful effect of this ultraviolet rays? Exposure to ultraviolet radiation induces the production of more melanin, causing tanning of skin. This is the one advantage of ultraviolet rays, right? Next, question number 14. It also comes in the year 2011, 15, 19. It is very important for this year. Also in 3 marks question, right? Name the parts of the electromagnetic spectrum which is suitable for radar system used in aircraft navigation. Which electromagnetic radiation is used for radar system? Yes, very good. Microwaves. And they are produced by spatial vacuum tubes called magnetrons and gun diodes. Name the electromagnetic radiation which is used to treat muscular strain. B part. In muscular strain, which radiation is used? Yes, infrared radiations are used, and these are emitted by hot bodies or vibration of atoms or molecules. Next, C part. Name the electromagnetic radiation which are used as a diagnostic tool in medicine. Yes, very good. It has very high frequency X-rays. So X-rays are produced. X-rays are used as a diagnostic tool in medicine, and these are produced by sudden deceleration of high-speed electrons at high atomic number targets. So in this way, you write answer of this question. It is very, very important for this year, right? Next, question number 15. Question number 15 is arrange the following electromagnetic waves in the order of their increasing wavelength. Increasing wavelength, which this gamma rays has maximum frequency but less wavelength, and microwave, X-rays and radio waves, which one has higher wavelength? You have to arrange in increasing order. Yes, radio waves have maximum wavelength. Now, microwave has less wavelength than radio waves, and this X-rays has lesser wavelength than microwaves, and this gamma rays has minimum wavelength. So, you arrange it this way in the increasing order of their wavelength. Wavelength is in the increasing order. First, gamma rays is minimum wavelength, then X-rays and more than gamma ray, then microwave and maximum wavelength radio waves, right? Now, how are infrared waves produced? Already discussed this question, how are infrared waves? These are produced, emitted by hot bodies or produced by vibration of atoms and molecules. And they have wavelength ranging from this 8 into 10 to 7 meter to 5 into 10 to 3 meter, and the frequency range is from 10 to 14, 10 to the power 14 hertz to 10 to the power 10 hertz, right? So it has maximum frequency and minimum wavelength. Okay, infrared rays. Now, one more part is there. What role does infrared radiation play in maintaining the Earth's warmth and physiotherapy? Right. So, first part is Earth's warmth. How you keep the Earth's atmosphere warm? Okay, infrared rays shows properties of reflection, diffraction, and penetration through fog. They also have heating effect on thermopiles and bolometers. They are used in greenhouse to keep plants warm and help to improve visibility in haze, fog, or mist. How it is used in physiotherapy? The infrared lamps are used in physiotherapy to provide heat treatment to the muscles. So you have to write these 2 points for these 2 parts answer, right? Next, question number 16. This question comes in the year 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17. In all years this question comes, right? So this question is very, very important for this year also, for 2022. Now, question is, how are electromagnetic waves produced? Very, very, very important. Must note down, how are electromagnetic waves produced? What is the main source of this electromagnetic waves? Yes, accelerating charge is known to produce both electric and magnetic fields, and when the charge is accelerated, the electric and magnetic field will change with space and time, and it produces electromagnetic waves. So, accelerating charge produces electric and magnetic field. When the charge is accelerated, both electric and magnetic field changes, and it produces electromagnetic waves. Electric field is in one direction, magnetic field is perpendicular to electric field, direction of propagation of wave is perpendicular to both electric and magnetic field this way. What is the source of energy of these waves? Yes, accelerated charge emits these waves, so accelerating charge is the source of this energy of these waves, right? Next, part 3. Draw a schematic sketch for the electromagnetic waves propagating along the x-axis. If the wave is propagating along this x-axis, this one is x-axis, then electric field is along y-axis, and this magnetic field is along z-axis. So this is diagram for this question, indicate direction of electric and magnetic field. So if wave is along x direction, then electric field and magnetic field is along y-z direction, right? Now, last part, write the relation between velocity of propagation and magnitude of electric and magnetic field. Already discussed in the previous video. What is the relation of velocity, electric and magnetic field? Yes, C equal to E into V. Here C is velocity of electromagnetic wave, E is magnitude of electric field, and B is magnitude of magnetic field. So hope it's clear to all of you how you write the answer of different parts of if question comes in this way, right? Next, question number 17. And this question is also important for this year. It comes in the year 2013 and 18. So this question is also important for 3 marks. Why are infrared radiations referred to as heat waves? Yes. So you note down the answer from here of this question. The infrared rays are referred to as heat waves because these rays are absorbed by water and other molecules present in different materials and increases their thermal motion. These rays are absorbed by water and other molecules present in the different materials and increases their thermal motion. This increases the temperature and hence material will get heated up. That's why these radiations are referred to as heat waves. Next, name the electromagnetic radiation which are next to these radiations in the electromagnetic spectrum having shorter wavelength, one, and having longer wavelength. So, infrared wave radiation you know. Now, you have to write the electromagnetic radiation next to this infrared which has shorter wavelength and one which has longer wavelength. Shorter wavelength which one? Yes. Again, you go through the diagram of this one. Infrared radiation, so shorter wavelength, which one? Visible light. And longer wavelength, yes, this side, radio waves. So you have to write, yes, so shorter wavelength, which radiation? Visible light, right? And longer wavelength, after infrared, microwave is present, which are next to infrared radiation in an electromagnetic spectrum, which has longer wavelength, right? Hope it's clear to all of you. Next, part B is state the conditions which undergo a microwave oven heats up a food item containing water molecules. So you have to write answer into 3 lines. In microwave oven, what happens? If the frequency of microwave radiation match with resonant frequency of rotation of water molecules so that energy from the wave is transferred to the kinetic energy of the water molecules. If radiation matches frequency of microwave radiation is resonant with the frequency of water molecules, then what happens? Energy from the wave is transferred as kinetic energy to the water molecules and the energy provided by microwave at this frequency is equal to heating up of water, right? So the water molecules of the food item get kept inside the microwave absorbs this radiation and this increases the temperature and so the entire food gets absorbed. So you have to write 2-3 lines in this way, right? Hope it's clear to all of you. Next, question number 18. Question number 18 also comes in the year 2011-14 also. It is given in the sample paper released by Cbse for this year. Question number 18 is, name the electromagnetic waves which are suitable for radar systems used in aircraft navigation. Which electromagnetic wave is used for radar system used in aircraft navigation? Yes, which is higher wavelength, microwave. Write the range of frequency. The range of frequency is from 10 to 10 Hz to 10 to the power 12 Hz. Right? Next, B part. If the Earth did not have atmosphere, would its average surface temperature be higher or lower than what is now? Explain. Yes, temperature would be lower or higher. In absence of atmosphere, the average surface temperature of the Earth would have been lower than what it is now because there would be no greenhouse effect, so temperature decreases. Right? Last part C. An electromagnetic wave exerts pressure on the surface on which it is incident. Justify this one. Why it exerts pressure on the surface? Because electromagnetic waves carry both energy and momentum. Therefore, they exert pressure on the surface they fall. Hope it's clear to all of you. Next, question number 19. This question is also important, right? Name the electromagnetic waves which are used for treatment of certain forms of cancer. Yes, very good. Gamma rays, which has higher frequency. And what is their frequency range? 10 to the power 18 Hz to 10 to the power 20 Hz. Second part, this ozone layer on top of stratosphere is crucial for human survival. Why? Because the ozone layer absorbs harmful radiations, ultraviolet rays coming from the sun towards the earth. As UV rays can destroy the life of organisms on the earth, the protecting ozone layer is crucial for survival of life in the planet Earth, right? Why this ozone layer is crucial for human survival? Because this ozone layer absorbs harmful ultraviolet radiation which destroy the life of organisms on the earth. So this ozone layer protects the human beings, right? It is crucial for survival life in the planet Earth. Hope it's clear to all of you. Now, after question number 19, next question number 20. Question number 20 is, describe briefly how electromagnetic waves are produced by oscillating charges. It comes in the year 2011. So already discussed about how electromagnetic waves are produced, which is the main source. What is the main source of electromagnetic waves? Yes, oscillating charge is responsible for producing electromagnetic waves. So this question already discussed in question number 16. You refer this question number 16 for the answer of this question, right? Next, second part, give one use of the following. First one is microwave. So microwave has highest wavelength, so it is used in cooking and communication. Second, ultraviolet rays, it is very harmful for human beings, and these are used in photocells and sterilizing the surgical equipment. Next, gamma rays, which has highest frequency, these are used in photography and physical therapy. Also, infrared has a greater frequency, so it is also used in cancer treatment, study of structure of atomic nucleus. Hope it's clear to all of you. Next and last question of today's video is, arrange the following electromagnetic radiations in ascending order of their frequency. This question comes in the year 2010. So microwave, radio wave, gamma rays and X-rays. You have to arrange these rays in ascending order of their frequency. So which has highest frequency from all these four? Yes. Which one? Very good. Gamma rays has highest frequency. And lowest frequency, micro or radio? Yes, radio waves has lowest frequency and highest wavelength. So you have to write in ascending order. So first you write those electromagnetic systems which has lowest frequency. So first you write radio wave, then microwave, then X-rays, and this gamma rays has highest frequency. Write two use of any one of these. So you already discussed about the uses of all these electromagnetic rays. You write any one use of any one electromagnetic radiation. So I am writing here about microwaves in radar system used for aircraft navigation. In microwave ovens to heat food containing water. So in this way I had covered all important questions of 1 marks, 2 marks and 3 marks of this chapter 8. Hope you like this series of important questions of term 2 physics. If you liked it, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay students, so till then keep revising and stay tuned with this channel. Thank you.